Kia's latest K4 sedan has received its official safety scores from ANCAP, and it is a mixed bag depending on which version you choose. Most K4 variants, including the Sport, Sport Plus, GT line, and the S trim with the optional safety pack, have all achieved the maximum 5-star rating. These trims come equipped with a full suite of safety technology, including advanced crash avoidance systems. However, the base K4 S variant, without the optional safety pack, tells a different story. It drops down to a 4-star rating, mostly due to downgraded safety hardware and software. This model lacks the enhanced autonomous emergency braking system that can respond to intersection crossing scenarios, which is a big deal if you are regularly navigating busy urban traffic. Moreover, while the basic lane keeping assistance is present, the base version struggles with detecting vehicles and motorcycles in adjacent lanes. That is a pretty critical miss when changing lanes at highway speeds. This safety disparity highlights a larger issue. In today's world, safety should not be a luxury add-on. As ANCAP's chief executive Carla Horweg puts it, safety should come standard across all trims. Buyers should not have to choose between budget and protection. Before making a purchase, make sure to check the safety rating of the exact trim you are considering. It could make a big difference. And please, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest car safety news.